Here's a spool we captured on our DPI-8X handheld scanner. The first step in our process is to run a post-processing routine to tighten up the frame alignment, level the colors, and eliminate redundant points. We're using the optional April tags for loop closure. Using them gives us better results. Then we save this optimized file. Next, we pass the data to our Dot3D DCD app, Design Compare, where we'll first crop out the extra data. So we're loading the scene in Design Compare, and then we'll crop out the spool data, the non-spool data, the surrounding data. Everything in red goes, so we're just doing a 3D select on that. This is a very easy to use tool. Now that's gone. Next, we're going to save this cropped file. Then we can pull down the CAD model of the spool from the assemble server. So first we select the project, then we select the correct spool. We're going to use the two-cylinder alignment tool here. We have several alignment tools. So we pick corresponding points on the spool in both the CAD and the point cloud, and the software does the alignment based on this. We can see the point cloud and the CAD are aligned. If we move the slider bar to the left, we'll just see the point cloud. If we move it all to the right, we'll see the CAD, and in the middle we get both. Next, we're computing the deviation map between the point cloud and the CAD, and it's color-coded. Lastly, we save this aligned point cloud in the coordinate system of the CAD model for uploading to the assemble server. So it'll go back up to assemble with the correct alignment.